France has just announced that they will be introducing an import VAT deferment scheme in January 2022. I'm Gareth Cobran, Director of VAT Global, and in this video I'm going to explain three things. Number one, what is import VAT deferment? Number two, why it's so important for e-commerce businesses? And number three, how you can take advantage of this scheme. So firstly, what is import VAT deferment? When goods are imported into the European Union, the EU, an import tax is payable based on the value of the goods being imported. This is payable at the time of clearing customs and therefore obviously presents quite a big obstacle to the import. Although this tax is recoverable in some circumstances, the cash flow burden on the importer is obviously a very difficult thing to bear. The tax authorities are allowed to implement what they call deferment schemes, where they don't actually make the importer pay the tax at the point of entry, but very few tax offices in the EU do this. The good news is that France has decided that they will be implementing such a scheme in January 2022. So why is this such a good thing for e-commerce sellers? France is a vital distribution hub, especially for e-commerce businesses. It is the closest and simplest route into the EU for UK sellers, which is a very good thing post-Brexit, and is geographically ideal to supply the rest of Europe as well. There are also several e-commerce marketplaces and platforms who have local fulfillment centers or warehouses based in France. This includes Amazon, Rakuten, Cdiscount, and many more. Therefore, it is the ideal place for e-commerce merchants to use as their supply hub to service the whole of Europe. So I'm sure you're asking yourself how you can take advantage of this scheme. For the French import VAT deferment to apply, the business owning and importing the goods into France must apply for or have a very specific VAT registration number. Every time they import into France, they will need to ensure that when clearing customs, their customs agent includes the relevant details in the import declarations. If you plan on importing goods into France, or if you perhaps want to change your supply chain to take advantage of this brilliant scheme, then it is vital that you get your house in order and apply for this registration immediately. If you already have the registration, make sure your customs agent is familiar with it and knows how to take advantage of it from January 2022. All of this is something our team here at VAT Global has extensive experience with. So if you need any help, please don't hesitate to get in touch. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you'd like any more information, please visit our website at www.vatglobal.com.